Hi guys, my name is Seun Digital. Do you have a WhatsApp, either a business WhatsApp or normal WhatsApp, and you don't know how to make money with your status? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can be making money on your status. Just posting something and people are clicking on it and you're making a lot of money with it. So I'm going to be showing you. Come closer, let me show you that.
Is to go to your browser. It could be a Chrome browser or Mini, whatever browser you're using. So right now I'm going to go to my own browser, which is Chrome browser, and this file. So I'm going to click this file. I'm going to then click on this browser called Chrome browser. This is the website I was talking about. All right, this website, with this website you can be making a lot of money just posting on your status, WhatsApp status, and you're making a lot of money. If you can even go beyond posting on your WhatsApp status, maybe on Facebook or whatever, and people just click the link, you make money. So guys, how do you get started on this website? All right, the first thing you want to do right now is to you don't have an account, so you want to click on this part that says register. Yes, click on it. So once you click on register, so it's going to ask you to put in your informations. All right, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put in my informations and we are good to go. All right, so I'm waiting for that. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, you can click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So right now that you're here, what you need to do right now is put in your full name here, put in your email, select the type of account you want, then your brand name is a brand name, then your phone number, your WhatsApp phone number, and audience. Okay, we're gonna do it right now. Okay, the name, the full name, please make sure you are putting your real name that is attached or similar to your account, your bank account details, because if the name is not tally with your bank account details, they won't give you the money. They won't be able to transfer the money into your account. So make sure the name is the same. So the next thing you want to do, once you put in the name, let's just say I put my name now, and once I put in my name, I put in my email, then select the type of account. I'll say publisher because I want to make money on the site. All right, then I'm going to put in a brand name. I can just put anything, brand name. Just put one of your brand name. You can just put your name as your brand name. So your phone number, then here select your audience. Okay, audience reach. So your view normally, how many view do you normally get? Let's say 10 to 20 views. I mean 10 to 50 views, 50 to 100. So I'm just gonna say 1,000 to 2,000 views. Order, the interest. So I'm gonna select age group from 30 to 39, gender male, then resident Lagos. So I'm gonna look for Lagos, put in Lagos, then I'm going, depending on where you live, where I live in Lagos, so select at least your interest. All right, so I'm gonna say I love this, and then I love my interest. I love technology, so technology, then I love business. Click OK. Then after that, bank name. So I'm going to put in my bank name here. I'm going to put in my bank name, put in the account name. Make sure the name on your account is the same with the name you're putting here. So account number. All right, then password, put in your password and confirm the password. And after you've done with that, you're done with that, click register. Once you click on register, they're going to send you an email. So just go into the email, go to your spam email. So let me show you how to do that. So when you go to your email, you click in your email. So go to your spam, just go to your spam, click on it. Once you click on it, you should see the email. You can see it is right here, passive view. So click on it. Once you click on it, then click confirm. Once you confirm it, boom, you are good to go. Now I'm going to drop the link to the website in the description box of this video. Just check the link to the website and register. Okay, after you're done with that, so how do you operate the site? Let's go to the site. So let's assume you are done with everything and you need to log in your account right now. So right now you're going to put in your login, your email, and the password. Once you select I'm not a robot, put in your email and password and click login. Right now they have running at 9. Okay, total unique click 0. I haven't done anything today. Okay, and for today 0 because I have not copied to post it on my status today. All right, so next thing you want to do right now is you want to know how to copy your advert and put it on your WhatsApp or whatever you want to put it. So click on this 3-line dot. All right, click on it, come to add. Okay, once you come to add, you are going to see numbers of ads there. Just pick anyone you think, oh, this is the one I want to promote on my WhatsApp. Okay, so right now they have about 9 ads for today. So they have this one, health and beauty. You see health and beauty supplement. You see backs oil. You see back soil, sport, complete sport. So if you come here, you're gonna see their price. You come here. So this one is just 1 naira 6, but I don't like this kind of 1 naira 6 kobo. So the one I'm just gonna go for now is this complete sport. Digital complete sport is a video ad. Then it's 24 naira, and we have another one 32 naira here, and there's another one down below 36 naira. But let's just do this 24 naira. So I'm gonna come right here at the front of it. I'm gonna click on it. All right, so once I click on it, I'm gonna see the video. This is the video. All right, I can play it to see what
after 27 years as a print publication.
Pause it. Once I pause it, I'm gonna click on this button right here to download it. This download button right here to download it. So once I click on that button, it's going to download it. Once it's downloaded, and then I'll scroll down here. Once I scroll down, I can copy the link here. All right. Okay, so let's quickly do that. I'll copy the link after which I've downloaded it. So I'm going to go to my WhatsApp and do the magic. So I'm going to my WhatsApp straight away. Then I'm going to go to my status. So I'm going to go to my status. All right, click status, then click upload photo, then select the video. All right, click on the video. Here is the video. So right now I'm going to add a caption here. All right, after the caption, I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to click on this pencil again. Then I'm going to paste the link here. So I can say something like get so once I put in the text, I can say OK. And that's all you need to do. Once you do this, you're good to go. All right, let's go back to the site. So right now you can click on cancel to cancel it, and you can also post the same thing on your Facebook and or whatever you think you are going to get traffic to click on it. Once they click on it, you will make per person you're going to be making 24 naira. So let's assume you're having like 100 views and you get 100 people to click on it. So let's do the calculation. Times 100. So in a day you can be making 24. You can be making 2,400 naira every day, once, as long as you keep posting it, keep posting something on your status and people are clicking it. So that's how you make money on your status or with your status. So guys, please subscribe to this channel if you're here to do so. And if you are watching this video on TikTok, kindly do what? Click on the follow me to learn more on how to make money online. Thank you.